I think I'm going to end this vlog, but I'm not going to end it just yet because I have a package that I want to show you guys. I felt like treating myself, so I decided to treat myself because I haven't done so in a while. It feels weird, like I haven't actually done shopping for myself in a while. It's crazy. That's like unlike me. So yeah, so I decided to treat myself to something nice, something that I know that I'm going to love. But I'm gonna open my package with you guys right now. Okay, so this is my package. It got delivered this morning. It's something from Selfridges. So it's from Selfridges. It's just a little you know. Ooh, they wrapped it really nice. Like I've been wanting this perfume. Okay, I just told you what it is. Okay, so I've been wanting this for so long. The box. Look how pink, how nice this is. This is literally like my favorite color. Like, hello, love it. So this is a perfume. Obviously, I just said that. So this is a perfume from Parfums de Mali, and this is the DELINA exclusive. Obviously, before I ordered this perfume, I obviously have been watching YouTube videos of how people are like raving about this perfume. Everyone literally loved it. They said it's like girly, it's so sweet, it's, you know. So, and I wanted a perfume for summer because we're in spring. Okay, so I wanted a perfume for summer, so I started watching YouTube videos about perfumes, and this seems to be the one that caught my eyes, and I decided to order it. And this is the DELINA exclusive, and it's the 75 ml. Really nice. I love this. Okay, I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna open the box, the packaging, so you guys can see what the actual perfume looks like. Okay, I actually haven't smelled this perfume. I don't know what it smells like. I don't know just yet. Let's just say this is a blind buy. The way everyone was raving about this thing, it's crazy. I was like, I have to try this. I have to. Ooh, pretty. So cute. The packaging alone is what drew me to this perfume. The box alone. Like, look how pretty this is. Oh my gosh, look how cute this is. It's so cute, you guys. Oh my god, I can't. This is so cute. I am in love. Oh my gosh, look how cute this is. I cannot. Okay, you. Can you come up, please? Can you? Oh, there we go. I'm crazy. Wow, this is so cute. I'm in love, but I haven't even actually smelled the perfume. Let's smell the perfume, okay? Oh, okay. Bottle is actually so cute. So cute. Look at the little tassel. Love this. I'm not wearing any perfume at the moment, so we're gonna wear this. And yeah. Okay. 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 Let me spray it on my hand just to get the smell more. Okay. Okay. Ah. Hmm. god, this is sex in a bottle. This is sweet in a bottle. Ah, I can't. This is too good. Oh my god. Ah, okay. Before I start sounding like, you know, every time. Oh, I can't. This is nice. This is nice. It smells like. Okay. It's just this, so it's fine. Oh, so you have to click it. It smells like baby powder. Like, you know when you put baby powder, like Johnson powder or something. Like, it just smells really refreshing. Baby powder, sweet, but obviously sweeter than baby powder. Yeah, it smells like baby's bum. Not like when they have, you know, just like when you just a newborn baby with like powder and stuff. It smells like a nice baby girl's perfume, like baby girls only. Okay, so this is like baby girls only. So if you're that in that baby girl crew, then this might be for you. Okay, right. I really like this. All I know is it smells like powder, baby powder, and it smells sweet. It smells really nice, and it also smells classy and expensive and just beautiful. Like, I love it. Okay, the bottle alone is everything. The bottle alone is everything. If you know me, you know probably that I get perfumes because of the bottle, because of the packaging. Bottles of perfumes makes everything looks nice. So I love perfumes. If you know me, you know that I love perfumes, and I'm just growing my collections at the moment. So I really love perfumes. It's something that I get excited every time I'm about to buy one. So this is like very nice. I love it. I'm so happy that I got it. And finally I have my spring summer perfume. So you guys, that's everything that I wanted to show you. And I hope you guys enjoy this video as much as I loved filming it for you. If you're new here, hi, my name is Mary. You are most definitely welcome. Don't forget to press that notification bell, thumbs up this video if you like it, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Mwah.